Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of English Errors Explained. Today I'd like to discuss one of the most common errors that most learners of English make when formally addressing a woman. Which of the following sentences do you think is correct? 1. Good morning, ma. 2. Good morning, madam. What's your answer? What do you think is right? 1. Good morning, madam. Correct. That's the correct answer. Good morning, ma. Wrong. That's the wrong answer. It's wrong. But why is it wrong? Someone might ask. Here is why. Ma is an informal way of referring a biological mother, while madam is a polite way of referring a woman. Let me add quickly that ma'am is also used instead of madam in Northern American English. Which of the following do you think is a plural form of madam? 1. Madams. 2. Moms. 3. Madam. What's your answer? Madam is the correct answer. Don't ask me why, because here is why. Madam is used because madams, when used as plural, means women who are in charge of prostitutes in brothel. Therefore, avoid using madams at all costs. Some grammarians also opine that ladies can be used instead. Please stop stressing yourself trying to pronounce madam as mesdames. The correct pronunciation is just madam. I hope you've learned something new today. I am Saniaku. See you in the next class. Cheers! If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. You can also share, like, and comment. Thank you. Bye.